Put your hands together for love. A student from SD Model School, Jagadhri.
Of course, a very good evening, respected sir and my dear friend. It is my proud privilege to express my views in on the ties. My topic of discussion is describe a book summary. I describe a book of class 10. The first flight. This book is published by CBSE board. Now I am in 10th standard. I read out some stories like Nelson Mandela, Lankos, and the Black Aeroplane. The story of this book are very inspiring and very interesting. The lifestyle of Nelson Mandela, how to become a first black president, and how to fight against the apartheid system. And story of Lanko.
Not apartheid, apartheid.
Apartheid system. And some story like Lanko and Black Aeroplane are very inspiring. Thanks for listening.
That's great. Put your hands together.